Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are heading to the Cinnamon Island in Koggala. This cinnamon plantation in Koggala is located just 20 minutes away by boat. If you are visiting the Madoldoowa, you can visit this island also. In this island, an individual and his family have grown cinnamon and other fruits for over 3 generations. During this journey across the Koggala lake, you can sip on a cup of homemade cinnamon tea and learn about the production process of cinnamon. This group of foreigners also were there when we arrived. Now you are seeing the cinnamon trees. At first, the farmers are harvesting the cinnamon branches by cutting down the entire tree. Removed barks are dried in the shade and then under sunlight. Then the knots are removed. After that, the sticks are scraped. A special equipment called Koggala is used for this process. After scraping, the sticks are rubbed with a brass rod. Then you can peel the skin with a small knife. Though it seems simple, this is not an easy task. You can use these quills after drying under sunlight. This person is explaining these steps while displaying and explaining everything. Using a mortar and pestle in a traditional way, you can make cinnamon powder, or you can simply use the grinder for that process. The powder can be used to make cinnamon tea. The foreigners enjoyed this process a lot, and we were served cinnamon tea also. It was a pleasure experience to visit this island. We'll meet again with another video. Until then, thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.